Good day everyone, I am Mergis Amnadan from PTVD 2K ELX, and today we are going to implement a Boolean expression in a breadboard. So, what is Boolean expression? A Boolean expression is a programming language which produces Boolean value when evaluated. So in this video, I am going to use the Boolean expression A or B and not B or C, which has this schematic diagram. So this schematic diagram will be my reference to create the circuit for that Boolean expression. And also, this is the truth table that we will going to prove later on in this video. And before we move on, I would like to thank the sponsors of this video who provided the things that make this video possible. So, thank you Sir Julian, Sir Julrel, Sir Nora, Ma'am Titan, Ma'am Christine, and Sir Artates. So, on that note,
the components we need are 1 piece 7404 IC, 1 piece 7432 IC,
7408 IC,
4 pieces 1K resistor, 3 slide switches, 1 LED, any color, wires, and a power supply which can provide less than 5 volts. I have now assembled my components. So next, let's move on with the wiring. Here I am connecting the inputs A and B to the first OR gate of 7432 and connected its output to the first input of first AND gate of 7408. Here, I am connecting input B to the second inverter of 7404 to create a not B output, which will be connected to the second OR gate of 7432 as input. I also connected the switch C to the input pin of second OR gate. Be reminded that it is fine to use any of the gates in the IC as long as you know that the connection you need is aligned to the gate you desire to use. Then, I am connecting the output of second OR gate to the first AND gate as an input and replace the color of the wire of its first input to be organized. And lastly, connect its output to the anode of the LED.
Mga kaibigan,
So in our truth table, when it is 0, 0, 0, the output will be 0. And when it is 0, 0, 1, the output will still 0. And if it is 0, 1, 0, the output are still 0. And when it is 0, 1, 1, the output will be 1. And even if it is 1, 0, 0, the output are still 1. And if it is 1, 0, 1, the output are still 1. But if it is 1, 1, 0, then the output will be 0. But if it is 1, 1, 1, then the output will be 1. So that's it for our Boolean expression.